We're at the Cape May Ferry Terminal. We're leaving New Jersey. This ferry starts in New Jersey and ends in Delaware. So we've never been to Delaware.
No, it's one of the only, well, it's all of the Northeast states. We didn't see Delaware yet.
Yeah, so we left the shop this morning. It was snowing. We hopped on the parkway, and 3 tolls later, we're down here at the ferry. This state loves tolls, I will say that. It was really only $3.75 total to get here, but that's crazy. It was a little sad leaving the shop, leaving George and leaving our van, and
yeah, but it's in good hands.
It's in good hands. Yeah, I know that.
We got the things that we wanted a part of that build. We got done.
Yeah,
I would have liked to have been there when all the battery, all that hookup happened and it comes to life, but George will video it for us.
I think a lot of the a lot of the projects moving forward, we would just get in the way for some of them, you know.
Yeah, I mean, we can help, but it's just kind of tinkering, and to sit in below freezing weather in a winterized van without running water.
Yeah.
To do that is just, it was
losing, time to go.
It was losing the fun factor for sure.
Yeah, so plus we're really excited to see the boys down in Florida.
Can't wait.
So we're making our way south. I think we're gonna hug the coastline for a little ways, and then we'll kind of make our way over to the freeway and make tracks.
Get down to some warm weather.
Yeah.
I'm not sure where we're staying tonight.
I don't know, because by the time this ferry gets to the other side, it's 4 o'clock and it's already getting dark by then, and I kind of want to see the coastline. You know, I don't want to, and we don't love driving in the dark.
However, the farther south we get,
the warmer
closer it is to above freezing at night.
Also a valid point. I guess
you'll find out.
We'll decide when we get to the other side. This is unusual for us. We're not usually driving at night.
No, don't like it.
And guess what? We're in Maryland now. We didn't even know we crossed another state. So there's a Walmart up ahead. We checked. It's okay to stay there. We're gonna crash there for the night and then take the Chesapeake Bay Bridge-Tunnel thingy into Virginia. So that's our plan for tomorrow. We'll see you in the morning. I had a good night. Did you?
It was actually a quiet night in Walmart.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. So this morning we're going to be heading over the Chesapeake Bay Bridge, and
that's a first.
I'm a little freaked out about it because part of it, it's like bridge and then it tunnels under the water, then bridge under into the bedrock, I guess. But it still is weird for my brain to think that we're going under. I don't like it.
I know she doesn't like it because, like, we woke up this morning, that was one of the first things she said was, I'm kind of freaked out about this bridge.
The bridge tunnel, it's just not natural. Like, we should not be driving underwater unless I'm in a submarine, so.
Right.
It's the whole snorkeling thing. I have a hard time with that too. Like, I shouldn't be breathing underwater, so I hyperventilate a little. Let's do it. Freaking me out. There's water, and now we're going under the water.
Oh boy.
No. This is unnatural. Whoa. Oh, I want to hold my breath. over the bridge and through the tunnels?
That wasn't very scary.
It wasn't really. We really hyped ourselves up for that.
Did we?
I did. It was a little weird diving down under and then coming back out. But. So today we're just making tracks. We're still trying to get in the warmer weather. It was 25 degrees last night, so we're just really just booking it south. So we'll see how far we get. So we were driving along and making good time and driving along. And all of a sudden we have a check engine light that comes on. Felt like the engine might have been slightly like vibrating. There was a vibration or something. We were on the freeway.
There was a little shudder at certain RPMs. It was similar to when we had a bad spark plug.
Yeah.
It's the same flashing light, so I don't know.
We don't know, but we quickly pulled over. Very first exit we found, there's a Pilot gas station, truck stop, and we have roadside assistance, so we called. We said it has to be a flatbed that comes gets us. And so they're sending somebody out. Now there is a Dodge, Jeep, Ram dealer 8 miles up ahead, but the service center closes. That guy leaves at 5 and it's 4 o'clock. There's no way we're getting there before he leaves, so looks like we'll be camping out in a car parking lot. It's a first for us. Yeah,
luckily when it happened there was an exit right up the freeway to a Pilot travel center, so that's where we're at. So if the tow truck can't get here, and then we'll just stay here at the truck stop.
Yeah, we could see here or there. So I'm just hoping they take pity on us and squeeze us in. I'm sure the service center is busy. I mean, really, we are a day or two from Florida if we really had to just beeline. So we still got some time before we meet the boys. But hey, we wanted some firsts. This is definitely a first for us.
Definitely a first.
We'll keep you posted. So we got up early this morning and they got us right in. They're already out there taking a look. I guess they're gonna hook up the little scanner thing and let us know what's going on, and then we can decide. I think it's gonna be something minimal. I'm optimistic this morning.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's get back on the road.
Yes.
We're back in the van. Can you even believe it? It's 1:30, same day. They got us in like 7:30. Started working on it. It was a bad fuel injector, so they had the part, they fixed it, they replaced it, and now we're wheels down heading south.
In the pouring rain heading to Florida.
Can't say enough good things about White Motors in Roanoke Rapids, North Carolina.
We didn't even tell them we had a YouTube channel. We should have.
Oh yeah, we should have.
So we can tell them to watch. We're gonna say
I'm gonna give them a shout out. Sarisa has been amazing. She took care of us.
She's one to talk to last night
when we were kind of freaking out.
And
yeah,
she was like, "No problem. I'll get there at 7:15. Yeah, you can park there on the back."
Yeah.
Got here this morning. The door said open at 7. Open at 7:30. It was 7:20 something, and
yeah,
come on in. And
everyone's been great. I mean, you know how hard it is to get an appointment at a dealership.
I mean, it
usually takes a few weeks to have them get you in, and they just spent all morning and got it done.
It's a big, busy dealership, so.
Yeah, it is.
I think it's just that.
They've been in business since 1938, and I can see why.
Yeah, the customer service was.
Yep, on point.
Yeah.
Anyway, we are heading south, so.
Time for some dinner.
Time for some dinner. Yep, we're meeting up some friends, hopefully tonight, because we missed it last night. And then we're just gonna keep on going. So I think we're gonna end up in a Cracker Barrel tonight. And we'll see you guys on the other side.
Oh, I wanted to say, you know, we could have driven it last night. It was, I mean, the engine light was, check engine light was flashing, and it was driving normal at most RPMs. There's just one little spot and we just kind of hesitate a little bit. And it's just one of those things that we've never used it before, but I was, you know, what if it is something that is simple, but what if it is something that you make much worse?
Oh yeah, we don't want to do that. So
try not to feel silly for having it towed here, but
no, better safe than sorry.
Definitely better safe than sorry. So
absolutely, I can't believe that this is the first time we've had an issue like this, you know, where we needed towed. With the amount of travel that we do, yeah, it was bound to happen. Like,
yeah, everything else in tip-top shape.
Yep, we're good to go.
Even Pistol, she's kind of tired laying on the couch. We couldn't walk around at all today because look,
it's raining. It's pouring. Yep.
Okay.
Let's roll out.
Carry on.